What is up? Today I'm going to be sharing a 3-minute stretching routine that you can easily do. And why should you care about that? Because most people cannot even touch the floor. You know, can you stretch and touch the floor when you're standing like this? Just bend over and touch the ground. When was the last time you were down at the floor? Many people haven't been down at the ground for maybe many years. I think it's important to stress a little bit the importance of stretching and staying flexible. With this little routine, you can do it in the morning, right when you wake up. Basically just sit down and use your body and stretch. It sounds simple, but many people don't do it. Right when you wake up, you're stepping out of the bed and entering into a new day. You have just slept for 8 hours, hopefully, and you've laid there on your bed, stiff, all your muscles. You need to stretch your body right when you wake up. Stretch, expand, bend down, sit down at the floor and touch your toes. Every single morning, it might require you to take those 3 minutes, but I guarantee you, it is worth it. So no more speaking about this. Let me show you how I do this every single morning. It's really easy. You can do it too. Let's get into the bedroom and sit down at the floor and do our magic. In fact, this is so easy that you don't even have to move anywhere. You can just sit down right where you are on the floor, like we're doing right now. You can sit down and stretch your body. Aren't you glad that you actually have legs that can stretch and you can walk and you can use them? You can use your body without any pain, maybe. You should be grateful for that and remember to nourish your body. And the way we do that is by stretching. You might already know this one. You start with the left leg in front of you and you breathe deeply. And you go reach for your toes. And you try to, maybe you can't, because it hurts so much. You're so stiff in your entire body, but when you practice enough, you can really become flexible and switch to the other leg. Stretch it out, breathe deeply. You can do both legs and try to reach the tips of your toes. It feels good. You can take this way also if you are a little banded. You can also do that one where you a back bend. You can do a back bend too if you want. It's a good one because we are used to sitting hunched over into our smartphones and in our computer chairs. It's important to stretch out the back every single day, right? I think we're done for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Why would anyone do this? If you tried to reach your feet but realized that you didn't have any, that's a shame. So we're done. Subscribe for more videos and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy, watch out for your immune system. Drink that lemon water. It's important right now in these times. Stay healthy. Peace. See you. Good morning, good evening and good night. Good night.